Hey pretties, welcome back to my channel. Let me move you actually because you're like taking my shine away. Hey pretties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be something different. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to be trendy or popular, whatever you want to call it, at school. Now me, I don't really consider myself popular. People always say that I am. Sorry for my broken down, I'm gonna get it fixed today, don't worry. But I can consider myself trendy because like I like to be different and all that jazz, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. But I'm gonna be showing you guys what it takes to be trendy and popular at school. Honestly, in my opinion, I don't feel like you need this to be popular. I'm gonna be going to the mindset of like what people want you to do to be trendy, you know what I'm saying? So, and it's how to become popular, all that. If you guys watching Mean Girls or any like video when a girl is supposedly supposed to be ugly and gets bullied by the mean girls and then ends up coming like, you know, all cute and all that, and then everybody wants to start talking to her and it's just like, but yeah guys, today I'm gonna be doing that. Y'all gonna be seeing how to look trendy. Okay, let's get right into it. We have to get an outfit, that's number one, so let's do that. All right guys, so I did not pick out an outfit beforehand, so yeah, and I cannot be late for school, so you have to speed the process up a little bit. What would be something cute? We could wear her because it's supposed to be like trendy because it's a designer brand, so probably could do her, do some black jeans. The next step is the makeup. Y'all know the makeup gotta be slayed, but first we gotta do the hair. So the next step is the hair and then the makeup. Alright guys, so I just glued my wig down, but y'all see how crazy it looks? Yeah. Like I said before, I was really interrupted. We cannot be going to school looking crazy if we want to be trendy. So that's iron our hair.
Cornmeal, these niggas sound crazy.
Ow, ow. Alright guys, now that it's sleek and flat, we're just gonna do the ninja bun again. So the hair is mainly done. I just gotta fix the bangs because the bangs, they just don't want me to be great, you know what I'm saying? Now we done with the hair, let's get on to the makeup. Y'all already know how I shanu. Guys, Tony had like 11 minutes to do my face, so we're gonna have to like get it popping. Now if you wanna be looking trendy and want to be popular, you have to have some nice eyebrows. I didn't get my eyebrows done. Well, my eyebrows go back fast. Okay, that's one thing. So it doesn't really matter how long I didn't get them done. They will go back mad fast regardless. But they're not like done, you know, to make them look like pop. So yeah, make sure you have your stuff waxed, you know. Now that you have freaky eyebrows, it's time to blend it out. Because baby, if you want to be trendy, popular, whatever the hell it is, they cannot see those concealer lines. Okay? And that's on what? And that's on what?
Period.
Oh, okay. Boom. No concealer lines, baby. Period. But we black, so we're gonna take this off right now because we is not trying to get we're not trying to get no flashback in those pictures, okay? You see that? No. So if you want to be popular and trendy, you have to have some good makeup on. Like your makeup cannot look bad. Take my contour palette. You also gotta glow, okay? So we're gonna glow today with some highlight. Boom, baby, boom. That's on period. Last, well, not second to last makeup set, which is, you know, a little Icylinn optional. This is optional at this place. Little little Icylinn add-on, which is dramatic lashes. Say what? Say what? Say what? Ooh. Oh my gosh. All right, now I'm gonna set my face, guys, with my MAC Prep and Prime. Now, since we set our face, it's time to put on some lip gloss. I got this lip gloss from TJ Maxx. It's Too Faced lip gloss, Angel Tears. Oh my gosh, no, 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 no. It was only $5.99 and it's originally $10, so. Y'all put this on and see. What y'all think? I like this lip gloss. This lip gloss is not pretty. It's probably my favorite. My alarms keep going off like you're late. Baby, I know. Alright guys, so we done looking trendy and popular to the face. So now we need the outfit to complete our look. So when we put the outfit on, I'll be right back. We're gonna add our accessories, even though we basically have some on already, and then we're gonna get going. I can't even talk when you're watching me.
For real?
Yes.
Well, how you can talk with everybody else watching you?
Anyways, guys, next thing you need is some jewelry. And I already,
This is cute, Icy.
and I already have on jewelry, but like,
How much
yeah,
is this
y'all know
bag?
this is like automatically because my boyfriend gave me these rings, but this I already had on, and I think I got them from Soulfeel or Yavini, I don't know. We got a new chain, and we get a new chain, you have to like wear it. Okay, so this one is from, ooh. So yeah, basically it's gonna be trendy and popular. You have to have an Ice Me Out chain, period. Okay, if you're gonna be like, you know, trendy or popular or whatever, you have to wear like expensive shoes. What is a lot? You already know. And don't forget, you need a whole designer bag to go with it, baby. Do not play. You're gonna be late again. But it got iced out, and that's on period. Alright guys, while I was in school, I didn't really get like crazy reactions. I just got like, you know, your shirt is fire. Wait, hold on, let me back up. As I was in school, I just came home, by the way. I didn't get really any reactions because I guess it's my style, I guess. People were just saying how they love my shirt, how it's fire and stuff, and just like my whole outfit in general. You know, nothing crazy. But I just want to tell you guys, this video was not to, you know, say that, oh, you need to have expensive stuff like, you know, shirts. Well, my jeans were like $15-20, but you know, expensive shoes and bag to be trendy. I'm just trying to say like this is what society, like, you know, try to say that trendy and like popular looks like, basically. Like if you're not wearing this, then you can't be popular, you can't be trendy, none of that. Everybody has their own style, everybody has their own fashion, and this is how I would literally dress on a regular. This is me. But I also, you guys already know, I don't really have that many designer shirts. I literally probably have like 5, and a person that's like trendy and like, you know, popular or whatever probably has like at least 25. I know people like that. But honestly, you can wear expensive stuff like that, you know, be trendy and still not be popular. It all depends on your personality. This is why people probably, I don't know, I have so many, I guess, friends. I keep on putting my everything in quotes because you never know who's really your friend until one day when you really need somebody and you wait for people to come support you and nobody's there. So I'm just saying. You guys know that I'm not trying to like brag in any way, shape, or form like what I have and stuff. This is literally supposed to be like a fun video to make, you know. This whole video I was trying to be kind of sarcastic because this is literally what people want you to do to be trendy and popular, basically, in my opinion. And it's crazy how society is, because honestly, like, you don't have to have the newest sneaker, you don't have to have the newest designer bag, you don't have to have the newest like clothing item, because literally I already know I wear Fashion Nova, I wear Primark clothes, I wear whatever I want. Like, what? If it's cute on me and I can make it look like $1,000. Like, people be asking me where your jeans from. I'd be like, Fashion Nova. They'd be like, oh my gosh, really? Like, it's not expensive? Like, no. You can make cheap stuff look expensive. That's what I do all the time, literally. I do not wear designer stuff like this every single day in my life. Like, literally just for the video. Like, last time I wore this shirt was literally last year. Like, I wore it for a picture, like, I'm posting. But that's about it, okay? I wore this shirt literally last year just because my friend told me to wear a designer shirt so we could take pictures together. Literally haven't worn it since until now for this video. So that just goes to show you that's not really how I am. I like Fashion Nova stuff. I like cute type stuff. Cause I feel like, you know, designer stuff like this is just big, and like I don't really like t-shirts. That's not really my thing. I don't know. Not really me. And I don't know, it's just not really me to spend like $100 on shirts. I'd rather spend it on shoes. I don't know why, but like I feel like shoes can last you a long time because I literally wear shoes every single day. You don't wear the same shirt every single day, but you wear the same, well, you can wear the same shoes every single day. You know, you can't discriminate, you know what I'm saying? So you cannot wear a shirt, this expensive shirt like this, you know what I'm saying, every single day. It's pink, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's pink, you know what I'm saying? You cannot wear this every single day. Like, everybody gonna know that you wear it every single day. If you wear like a shoe like what I wore today, which is all white, it's like nobody's gonna really care. It's a shoe. It's different from a shirt. A shirt you gotta keep on wash and make sure it doesn't smell. Shoes smell, but you know what I'm saying? It's different. It lasts a long time more than a shirt. You're gonna grow out your shirt one day. You're gonna get tired of the shirt. You're not gonna get tired of shoes more, you know? You're not gonna really get tired of shoes. Shoes are more valuable than clothes, in my opinion. More of the story is you do not need to like pay a lot of money to look popular, be trendy. You know what I'm saying? What I think is most important is you be yourself and not try to fit in with other people, because at the end of the day, they're not going to be with you when you graduate or when you need them, because all they care about is themselves, and that's that on that. See, I'm the type of person, I'm going to always like make sure everybody's doing fine, everybody's doing okay, everybody knows about me. I'm a sweetheart, that's just how I am. But yeah, I'm just wanted to let you guys know, like, this is how society really thinks trendy and popular looks like. And you know, I don't know, it's supposed to be like a fun video, you know? I don't want nobody to think of it as like a mean way, like, oh, she's just trying to show how she got all this stuff, and it's just like, girl, like, no. But let's be real, this is really how society is. If you want to be trendy, you want to be popular, you gotta, like, you know, wear flashy stuff, AirPods, all that. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, guys, I just hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just let you guys know, just be yourself. If you like designer stuff, girl, do you. Like, comment, subscribe for more videos on me. And the Mama Broken Out. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. And rate my outfit 1 to 10. How y'all feel about this outfit? I feel like it's like a boyish outfit.